Looking for a memory card that won't quit when it comes to recording your security footage or dashcam videos? SanDisk's high-endurance memory cards promise to keep your recordings safe and accessible for years, handling up to 120,000 hours of full HD video on the 256GB model alone. That's over 13 years of continuous use. Whether you're capturing daily drives or monitoring your home, these cards offer the peace of mind you need without the hassle of frequent replacements. What sets these cards apart is their exceptional durability. Tested to withstand harsh environments, they're temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and even X-ray proof. That means your footage stays intact no matter the weather or travel conditions. Plus, with capacities ranging from 32GB to 256GB, you can store more footage from your home security cameras or dash cams without constantly swapping cards. The cards support full HD and 4K UHD video recording thanks to their Class 10, U3, and V30 speed ratings, ensuring smooth, real-time capture without dropped frames. I've personally relied on SanDisk High-Endurance cards for my security cameras, and they've never let me down. Unlike other cards that fail after a few months, these have lasted years without a single glitch. That kind of reliability matters when you need your footage preserved, whether for safety or peace of mind. Plus, the 15-year limited warranty on the 256GB model backs up their confidence in the product's longevity. If you're tired of replacing memory cards every few months and want a solution built to last, SanDisk High-Endurance cards are worth a look. They offer the storage capacity, speed, and toughness to keep your recordings safe and accessible for years. Try one when you're ready to upgrade your security or dashcam setup and enjoy hassle-free recording that stands the test of time.